Retirement planning for high net worth individuals is not just about saving money, it's about crafting a future-proof strategy. At Davies Wealth Management, we specialize in navigating the complex financial landscapes that come with substantial assets. For those with diverse portfolios, from stocks to real estate, a sophisticated approach is essential. Our goal? To ensure your wealth not only lasts but grows, outpacing inflation and maintaining your lifestyle. Tax implications in estate planning are crucial. Utilizing tax-advantaged accounts and strategic charitable distributions can maximize your retirement income while preserving wealth for future generations. And let's not forget the importance of professional guidance. A dedicated wealth management team can tailor solutions to your unique needs, ensuring all aspects of your financial life work in harmony. As the financial world evolves, so should your retirement plan. Regular reviews and a proactive approach are key to staying ahead. At Davies Wealth Management, we empower high net worth individuals to secure their financial future with confidence and peace of mind.